Hi friends, welcome in my kitchen today. Today I'm going to make fruit chaat. It's enjoyed as a snack at parties, at special occasions, Christmas, Easter, Ramadan, birthday parties. Almost everybody likes fruit chaat and every family, every household have their own unique recipe. But the best thing about fruit chaat is that you can add seasonal fruits in it. So let's get started. So first of all, I peel and chop all the bananas. And add it in a big bowl. Next I cut the guavas and I take out all the seeds because the seeds are hard and they can sometimes give you tummy ache, so it's best to take the seeds out. You need a really big bowl for this fruit chaat because you have so many ingredients and you need enough room to mix all the fruits together with the chaat masala and the ketchup, and the fruit needs room so that bananas will get a little bit mashed with the other fruit and give their sweetness. Then I peel and cut the apples in small cubes, small chunks. I peel the pomegranate and take out all the seeds. Next I peel the oranges. And I remove thin layer of fiber. And then I cut them into small pieces and add them in the bowl. I peel and cut the pineapple. Five to 6 dates, or if you don't have dates then you can add half a cup of raisins or dried apricots in it. You can actually add dried mangoes in it as well. So after chopping, cutting and mixing all the fruits, I add 1 cup of chickpeas. I add 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons of chaat masala, I cut the red grapes because they are larger than normal grapes in size. I just add the green grapes as they are. And mix it all together, and your fruit chaat is ready. I hope you have liked today's recipe. Please do try to make it. You are really going to enjoy it. The deliciousness of all these different fruits, flavors of the cumin seed, the chaat masala, black pepper, the tanginess, oranges, and the crunchiness of the chickpeas and pomegranate seeds, the sweetness of the bananas is really going to blow your mind away. So please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave me with your comments. Tell me how you like this video, what videos you would like to see in future. I love to read your comments and I try to reply to all of them. Keep me in your prayers as well. Until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.